Hi, ladies and gentlemen. As I promised, I was going to do that product review for my personal use only of this product. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm not sponsored by Meguiar's. I'm just doing a review out of my own will and interest. But today I was using the Meguiar's Detailer Iron Removing Spray Clay. I really liked it. I really hadn't clayed the spray, use it on the whole truck. Just the the left rear quarter panel of the truck, and it did really well. I was very pleased with it. This is it right here. A lot of people, I've been watching the videos about it, and they don't know how to use it. What you're supposed to do, I'm gonna read the directions for you. It says apply to cool, clean surface in the shade. Wash and dry the vehicle to remove loose contaminants. Mist the product over the vehicle's paint, allowing the product to dwell for 2 or 3 minutes. Excuse me. Color changing indicates dissolving of iron oxide. Do not allow product to dwell. Agitate with microfiber wash mitt, then rinse vehicle thoroughly and dry. For maximum gloss and protection, follow with Meguiar's compound polish and wax. Like I said, I've used this on the left rear quarter panel of the truck. This test to see how it would do, and I'm really pleased with it. I really like it. Also, the product I used to wash my truck is this you have here Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash shampoo and conditioner. I've used that. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. This will be the 3rd time I've used it. I'm really pleased with it. I've not had really any dislikes out of it. And what I finish up with is Meguiar's liquid ceramic wax hybrid. I really like this stuff too. This right here is good if you want to really put a lot of time and detail in it, and also, which I do. I don't mind doing it, but sometimes I'm strapped for time. I like actually both of them. I like the spray wax they have in this, and also the liquid. If anybody's used any of this, let me know. Let me know how your product was, how it did, how the results were. Again, like I said, I'm not sponsored by Meguiar's. I'm not sponsored by any detailing company at all. I'm just doing this review out of my own free will and power. So don't get me for, I guess you could say, copyright. But like I said, I've used Meguiar's in the past on all my vehicles. When I first started detailing, I used Under Armour. I thought, all right, I'll try Under Armour. Under Armour does not give me the finish that I want. These products I've used from Meguiar's have really helped. I've used them on my 79 Dodge Aspen. I've used them on my mother's car. I used them on my mother's, when she had a 98 Buick Century Custom. I used it on that. I used it on my 1984 S10 truck. All my vehicles I've used it on, and I've not had one bad feeling about it. But anyway, guys, if you can, please like, share, and subscribe on this video. It really helps me out a lot. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next one.